Hey YouTube, this is my bike check for my SE Quadangle. It's 2009. Here, I'll just bring it in the sun. Okay, so yeah, like I said before, I have here 2009 SE Quadangle. I bought it for $230 in 2008, I think. Yeah. And so the guy was selling it for $300 originally, but my dad got him the knockoff, like $50. I don't know, I think. I'm not good at math. And just put a few stickers on it here. Dance Comp, Thor, I have Summit. I don't know why I put that there. Over some scratches, I think. Sunglasses, Skyway Tufts. Yeah, it's a little dirty now because I was just practicing some tricks, bar spin. And it's got like basically all SE parts. The tires are, or the rims are 5.3. Wait, they're like, put them on the bottom so you can see it. G303 X rims. So I got them on there. Chrome cap. It's really heavy. I have metal pedals. Oh yeah, I really like this bike, I guess. It's good for jumping. I still have a gyro on it because it was a flatland bike, but I use it for like jumps and stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. See ya.